What is up, guys? Mastic over here. Today I'm going to show you how to change brake pads and rotors on this 2023 BMW 430i. I think this application kind of applies for most base model 430, 330i, whatever it is. It's going to be basically the same. So took out the wheel, lift it up from here. There's a lifting point, and you'll see it's very easy. Now what I want to do is turn the wheel all the way to the right. All the way to the right or to the left? Let me see this one. Nah, it's going to be to the left. Let's see. Oops. Oh, right here. Be very careful. Just gonna walk a little bit. There we go. Put the key somewhere in here. Now we're gonna get here. So this works too. All right, now we're in a safe to take them off. Fortunately, guys, there's no sensor here, but it's actually really easy to remove it. It's on the other side. I need to get a smaller camera. I'm literally using my phone. This thing keeps bumping everywhere. I don't need this. Get that blue hanger. Hang this right here. All right. All right, so we want to use this. Oh, well, we do, but first what we want to use is this. This is a E16, and we want to use it to take off bracket bolts. Comes right out. It's right here. Now that it's off, here we go. What you want to do is get a mask and some serious eye protection and clean this.
Notice how I'm not using carbon steel. That's what I'm using brass. Godly.
All right, I'm gonna take this out. This is a 6mm. I want to align this. Right there. Get this crap. Line it up. And we messed it up, but who cares? All right. Okay, so I want to put this back, like so. Let me change my position so you guys can see. So I actually have a blue thread locker, Loctite, blue Loctite. I want to spread it before you install it. It's not too necessary, but I like putting it because I never want to gamble my customer's life. Kind of hard using your left hand for, just put the lower one on first. Cool, it's on. It's in a very funny position too. I don't know the torque spec. I'm just torquing it to just about right. It's called experience torque. Good enough. This one says inner. That goes inside. Always put brake grease just over here. If it's the inner, just barely. Okay, now when you put it in, this one has to be pressed. So you want to use its own weight to press it against here. That's the inside, that's the inside. I'll show you how it looks on the outside. So this one says outer, by the way. Just put it right here. Some right there. Where the fuck does this gunk keep coming from? Anyways, all right, so see, I'm gonna use its own weight to push it. Cool. I don't want this so we don't forget it. It went right in. So for these, I want to actually clean up the old thread locker. Oops. I'm gonna light it up. Right there. There's the other one. Yep, tight as hell. All right, this is good, this is good. There's no sensor. Sensor would be usually right here in the box. Just unload the box. I mean, take out the cover, unplug it. You gotta walk it all the way over here and then put it under this, and then it will go right into this groove right here. Super easy. Not rocket science, I promise you that. Okay, where's my wheel? It's not actually my wheel. Shut up, car. Cool. All right, this is how you do the front. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a like, comment, share, subscribe. See you later.